All right, test, test, test. What's going on, y'all? Let me know how we sounding. Let me know how we sounding. Was having some technical difficulties, but we should be good now. We should be good now. So we got a few setups we're looking at, y'all. We're going to break them down a little bit, but we're going to be looking for buys still on everything because we're still bullish on everything. We caught a nice sell on GU, and then it flipped the script and went back to the bullish momentum. So if y'all have not watched the Sunday chart analysis yet, make sure to watch the Sunday chart analysis. But we're going to be looking for GJ buys and gold buys right now. We're going to be looking for GU buys as well, but we got to either wait for price to retrace or break this resistance level and turn it into support. Did a nice spike off the London session open, but as you know, we do not breakout trade. We wait for the break and retest. So we're going to flip these right here. Yeah, so we're going to get the charts like this. Let me know if the audio sounds good, y'all. Let me know if the audio sounds good. Y'all hop up in here. Again, was having technical difficulties. Had to restart my computer. We do have an Italian holiday today, but besides that, it's just going to be a regular Tuesday. We're simply just going to be waiting for volume and our confirmations to be met. Now, as far as yesterday, we caught a nice move on GU, and then going into New York session, GJ did what we was looking for. All right, so hopefully y'all didn't go for sales yesterday, because again, if y'all was in the live stream yesterday, remember I said was looking for buys here. All right, so it ended up rejecting that level London session, but as you can see, going into New York, broke back above, had a level support. Yeah, I think flew last night too. Well, it didn't fly last night, flew a couple hours before market close. So we're gonna be looking for continued buys today. Gold ended up doing a nice move as well, so we're gonna be looking for buys on gold. And the US30 fucking took off. So we're gonna be looking for NAS buys, but I'm not really liking NAS right now. It's still kind of stuck in reversal territory. All right, but we're not gonna trade US30 either, unless it does a big ass retracement. So we're probably just gonna be focusing on gold, GU, and GJ today, right? Because US30 made all-time highs again. So unless it does a big ass retracement, we're probably just gonna leave that shit alone. All right. So we got a new 15 that just popped up. Let's see what we got going on. Make sure to like the live as you hop up in here. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already. We just hit 4,400 subscribers. Let's get to 4,500. Just dropped a new video for y'all yesterday. Make sure to check that out after the live is over. And like always, you got any questions, drop in the chat. When we look at these charts, drop in the chat. But we're just chilling, patiently waiting right now. Right now we're looking at gold buys, GJ and GU buys. All right. GU's already been doing a nice push, so I'm probably gonna leave GU alone. It could do a big move today, but I'm liking GJ and gold more. But if GU does meet our confirmations, we will take the setup. Right, I was looking for a retest here. So GU does not retest 35.55 as support. We're going to be looking for buys if it can break above maintain 35.65. Now, if y'all did not watch the Sunday chart analysis, make sure to watch the Sunday chart analysis because we went for sales on GU yesterday. But if you watch the Sunday chart analysis, what did I talk about? I said if we break back above, we're going to be looking for buys. Now, I don't remember the price point off the top of my head, but I did talk about a certain price in the Sunday chart analysis. And as you can see, if it wasn't yesterday's live or watched the Sunday chart analysis, we had a lower low getting made and we was red. Well, remember I was talking about we needed to break this support level, which we rejected, which flipped price back to green and brought the bullish momentum back into play. Because prior to last week, we was bullish, right? This was Christmas week, and then this was last week with all the choppiness of New Year's Eve and all that good shit, right? So once the volume picked up, the uptrend did come back into play. So we're going to be looking for buys today on GU. All right, so we just broke that level. We got a new 5-minute about to pop up. So we're simply just going to just move this out the way. And put a buy setup right here. Obviously now with this type of stop loss. All right, we got some action, ladies and gentlemen. So we're going to be seeing if gold could hold this level of support. If gold can maintain 44.66 of support, we're going to be looking for buys going to 44.84. So we got GJ, GU, and gold hitting our zone. So we're about to see how this next 5 and 15 looks. Let's see how this next 5 and 15 looks. Make sure to hit that first link in the description, join the free student free Telegram. You see on your screen how we did last month and last quarter. Also, we hit that first link in the description. All you got to do is go to January 4th. You can see how we ended quarter 4. October we went 30 wins, 4 losses. November 27 wins, 3 losses. Then December 23 wins, 5 losses. Ending the quarter 80 and 2, giving us 87% win rate. So we had an 87% win rate quarter 1. I mean, not quarter 1, quarter 4. We had an 89% win rate. Where I fucked up. Where is it at? There we go. We had an 89% win rate quarter 3. And then we had a 90% win rate quarter 1 and quarter 2. So later on this week, I'm going to calculate how we did for the year. But I'm pretty sure, like I talked about yesterday, we surpassed how we ended last year, right? Because how we ended 2024, we won 181 wins, 23 losses, 89% win rate for the entire 12 months. So we're going to see how we did this, well, not this year, last year. But right now, we're just going to focus on the charts. Again, if y'all got any questions, drop them in the chat, and I got y'all. But we're about to see if we can maintain these levels of support right here. Just dropped a video for y'all yesterday. Got a new video lined up for y'all today as well. So make sure to have y'all's notice on and be on the lookout for that. Also, make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Y'all see that scrolling at the bottom of y'all screens. Instagram, Playmaker_Way. TikTok, _Playmaker_Way_. Again, this is why we don't breakout trade. So now we're going to be looking to see if we can maintain this level of support right here. Or it can also retest this level, which I'm not against. Let's see if gold can hold. Don't want to see it take off too far from here. I want to see if we can maintain this level of support. Gold's pushing. Again, we're going to wait for the next 15 to see if we can retest this level. GU's maintain this level of support right here as well. So I'm liking GU right here. I'm liking GU and gold right here. Again, it's been pushing, but we're bullish on this. I'm not against the buy setup here. All right, new 15 just popped up. Let's see if we can get a retest right here. G rejected that level, so we simply just don't take the setup. That's simple. So we're about to see if we can get a retest right here. Let's see if gold is gonna do it for us. Again, if y'all got any questions, drop them in the chat. When we look at any charts, drop them in the chat, and I got you. Let's see if we can retrace. There we go. We retraced a little bit. I want to see if it's going to go a little bit lower. Again, there's no news today, so we're simply just waiting for volume and our confirmations. I want to see if gold's going to retrace a little bit more. Before we take this setup. There we go. There we go. Let's see how price reacts right here. Let's see if we can hold right here. Again, if y'all got any questions, drop in the chat and I got y'all. There we go. I was like, what the fuck going on with my music? GJ's pushing up. Again, if GJ can break above and maintain 212 of support, we're going to be looking for buys going to 212.40. GU is trying to push back up as well. So yeah, I like this gold setup here. I'm about to see if we can hold this right here. So GU and GJ are about to try to go for round 2 right here as well. Again, want to see if we can hold these levels of support. Gold did a nice retest. We just need some volume right now, but we're going to see if we can push back up to these highs right here. And then GU and GJ just got a little bit more work to do. I like this setup right here. New 15 just popped up. About to see what this next 15 looks like. Again, we're just simply looking for volume. That's all we're waiting for right now. GJ did a big ass move yesterday, just chilling right now, so we're waiting for volume to pick up to either break above and hold this level or retest right here. GU, same thing. GU did a move last night. They did a big ass move yesterday. So we're just waiting for volume right now. GU just pushed back up. Let's see what GJ is talking about. Might see some action in a little bit, y'all. Again, if GU, well, that shit is, I might try to explode, but if it can maintain 35.55 support, we can look for buys going to 35.65. And then we're looking to see if GJ can break above and maintain 212 as support. If so, we're going to look for buys going to 212.40. Whoops. But again, we're just waiting for some volume. This is how it is sometimes. Sometimes you're just chilling in a position till volume picks up. Sometimes as soon as you enter a trade, it pushes up in your favor. This is just the reality of trading sometimes. But also it's a Tuesday, right? First week of the month is also a Tuesday. First week and last week of the month are usually the slowest. And we usually have the most news reports. So again, we do got some important news tomorrow and Friday popping off. But it should still be setups. Again, the day just getting started. We're just an hour into London session. And we still got all of New York. New 5 minutes about to pop up. If you got any questions, drop in the chat. When we look at any charts, drop in the chat. Don't just be, just staring at the screen. Pay attention to what the charts are doing. Pay attention to how the candlesticks are reacting to my levels. And again, these live streams are to show y'all the realistic side of trading as well as what I'm looking for. So if you got any questions, drop them in the chat. Damn, we barely missed TP1. Barely missed TP1. So we're still in this trade though. Like always, we're gonna hope the SRTB gets hit. Game plan's still the same for not just gold, but all the other charts, y'all. So y'all just joined the live. Make sure to watch the Sunday chart analysis. Hit that first link in the description. Also, I just dropped a new video for y'all yesterday. Make sure to check that out. After this live is over, I got a new video lined up for y'all today as well. And then make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. But the game plan is still the same. We're still looking for buys on everything as of now. We're just simply waiting for volume to come in. We almost hit TP1. We're about to see if we can hit that. But we're kind of watching just paint dry right now. So I'm about to take care of some things while this plays out. Shout out to everybody in the live. Shout out to everybody's been live since the beginning. Shout out to everybody's been live since y'all joined. Members, be on the lookout for the New York price watch list in a few hours. But yeah, we're back at our entry. So we're about to see if we can hit TP1. We barely missed TP1. We missed TP1 by like a point. So we're about to see if we can maintain this level of support and break through that. GU's rejecting. GJ's rejecting. So again, if GJ does not break above 212, we're going to look for buys. If we can retest and maintain 211.50 as support, we can look for buys there. Same thing with GU. If we can retest 35.45 support, we can look for buys there. Or if it breaks above 35.55, holds that support, we can look for buys there. But again, we can see these charts are kind of just consolidating right now, so we're just simply waiting for a volume so we can break through that next level. That's literally all it is going on right now. So yeah, so we're gonna see what goes on and happens going between now and the New York session. Like I always say, we don't see any action between now and 6 a.m. Just wait for 8 a.m., 9:30, and then we'll go from there. Again, there's no news today. It's an Italian holiday, and then later on tonight, we do got 7:30 Australian news. But that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it. Yeah, so we're gonna see how gold plays out. And then we're gonna wait for our alerts to be hit on these other two charts. Alright, y'all, that's pretty much it for today, y'all. Peace, we out.